about 11 o'clock here on Friday. Got the stormy chromer on because this says 45 degrees. It's actually 34 degrees. I'm sure I'm sitting here idling, so the temperature gauge is a little off. But it is quite a cold day. Don't have much going on, just doing a bunch of stuff for the trucking company. Man, that guy, he has an APU and it's looked like he hit something on it. Poor truck and trailer's in really poor condition. I'm headed over to the trucking company I used to work for and go pick their brain on a couple of things, who they use for ELDs and all that kind of stuff. Gonna ask the guy that works there if he'd be willing to set us up with a website and all that kind of stuff, pay him for it. And then thinking about ordering a new truck, so getting all the information on that nailed down. And I left my gloves in the pit. Got to take a measurement on our haul truck as well. Man, I should have went and did that first, but I'll go over here first. I'm not too far away from the trucking company I used to work at. And see if we can steal a little information out of his brain, I guess. It's been quite a long morning. Been on the phone most of the morning. Was dealing with Verizon. My phone's all messed up and just a pain in the butt. So slowly getting things done, slowly chipping away at the list. Still gonna need a ton more information and stuff to sign up for, and so working away on things little by little. If we order this truck, it's not gonna be ready till like July at least, so it's gonna be a bit, but brand new. It'll be cool. Be real excited over it. See how it goes. The trucking side of things, though, is going to take at least 30-something days to get the MC active. We can do some other stuff in the meantime and all that. There's a little bit to it. Don't know how it's all going to work out. Hopefully it's going to go real well, so we'll just see. But nice cold day here in Russellville, Arkansas.
$20 bag of jerky.
He's making more shell. Putting the shell in the pile. I came over here because I left my gloves in the excavator yesterday. So we're bullshitting for a little bit before I leave. Taking a break. Eating jerky.
Lunch break. Even though it's like an hour and a half past my normal time.
I got more stuff I gotta go do. Gotta go measure the haul truck. See how all that goes. This pond's gonna be huge. It's gonna go all the way over to there, then way past the truck, then all the way over to there. It's gonna be a massive amount of water, and he's gonna divert the creek that's over here into this to fill it. So it's gonna be one giant pond. It's gonna take him years and years and years to finish it.
We'll go put a ski boat on it.
Yeah. We'll have a couple boats out here, easy. A lot of material's got to come out of here. It's going to take a lot of years to take the material out of here, but now that he's interested in selling all this to create this pond, man, he's going to make himself a lot of money off of it. Years of salary in 6 months if he starts selling a lot of it.
Like $3 grand a week at least.
We'll see how it goes.
Yeah, that's our favorite. We just like
They're getting their shots. They're not going to be real happy about this. Hey, Pam. This is going to go interestingly.
Hi, puppy.
6 o'clock. We're at the storage unit. We just finished the sign, but I don't want to put the number on here just in case I get famous. I don't want people bothering all that stuff. We're putting these inside, and then Ashley's here. Dogs are in there, and then we'll be done. We already ate dinner, so we get to go home.
Yep.
And I got a whole bunch of computer work to do, and then we'll
going to bed early. Yes.
Then we'll go to bed.
Right, I am.
So See you guys tomorrow.